One interesting statistics known among data scientists is that 80% of the time is spent on finding, cleaning and reorganizing the data, and only 20% is spent on actually building a machine learning algorithm or doing data analysis on the actual data. However, data processing is still a skill that many people underestimate, and so that takes so much of your time as an expert of your field in a project that involves data. My name is Ardit Sulce and I am a GIS expert dealing with spatial data, and I'm a Python programmer, and I have used Python to process millions and millions of data that would otherwise take me years to do it with graphical tools such as Microsoft Excel. For example, it's extremely worth it to invest some time in learning Python for data processing. Once you do that, it then takes 10 minutes to write a few lines of Python code and then run that code and have the data clean and ready for your task. And you can reuse that code and easily tweak it if you want to change something. In this course, you're going to work on a large dataset of raw historical weather records. You're going to learn how to use Python and the powerful pandas library to batch download thousands of files for the project, and then load the data in Python, perform quick analysis, clean the data, add and calculate new fields, reorganize by aggregating, concatenating and joining data. And once you have cleaned the data, you will also learn how to calculate statistics and visualize the data using Python data visualization libraries. I'm sure you'll like this course and you'll find it very useful. If not, Udemy gives you a 30 money back guarantee, so if you don't like the course, you can get a refund. So get the course, and I hope to see you in class.